Hey guys, this is Suzanne, and you're listening to Culips. Welcome to our new series called Quick Tips for all of your quick and easy English tips. Sometimes we might cover speech, sometimes grammar, sometimes how to give presentations or do interviews in English. Today we're going to be talking about a speech feature, slowing down, or slowing down our speech rate. I find that many people, or a lot of my students, think that fast means fluent, or that you really have a handle on the language when you speak fast. But this is actually a misconception, because most native speakers actually speak slower than you think, because English has a kind of a stress rule. So this means that English is what we call in linguistics or pronunciation research, a stress-timed language. So that means we give a lot of weight or honor to the stress of a word or a syllable. So in actuality, there are some words that will be spoken faster. And those are usually the words that we reduce or delete, the words that are not really important, like in the, out of the, with the, a lot of the. While the important words are slowed down or elongated, and this makes them kind of stand out to the listener. So if you're doing a presentation in class or for anything in English, like a thesis maybe, for example, try this simple tip of just slowing down your speech just a bit. Because you might be explaining very interesting concepts or high-level concepts that you want to make sure come across as understandable and make sense to your audience. So something you can do is to try in your practice text. Maybe you've written out your speech for your thesis. Maybe you've written or typed in some notes in your PowerPoint or slides. I encourage you to underline or circle the key words that you think are important and try slowing down just a bit on those words. For example, let's take a little example. If you have a presentation text like, "Today I'm going to talk to you about the dynamics of cultural change." So you would probably underline today, talk, because that's a verb, so it's important, dynamics, cultural, and change. Those seem to be the most important words. And I would try slowing down on those words. So here's how they would sound if they were fast, okay? Today I'm going to talk to you about the dynamics of cultural change. Today I'm going to talk to you about the dynamics of cultural change. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't really highlighting my introduction to my presentation. Now let's listen to how that would sound if we slowed it down just a bit on or right before the keywords that we highlighted. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the dynamics of cultural change. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the dynamics of cultural change. Just by slowing down our introduction just a bit, we are really taking in the audience, we're setting the stage, and we're creating an atmosphere and a feel that we're really allowing the audience to open up and listen to our message. I encourage you to take a passage of text, maybe even online from maybe a TED Talk or something that you really enjoyed listening to in English. Maybe even try a transcript from one of your favorite Culips podcasts. Take a few sentences and underline the words that you think should be stressed. Then try saying it faster. Maybe slow down a bit on just the key words, and maybe try slowing down on the whole sentence in general. See if you feel like you are making more sense when you slow down. I guarantee that when you do slow down, you're not going to be as slow as you think you are. Most people speak faster than they think. So see how much more understandable complicated texts and messages can be as you practice with maybe research, articles that you've read. Try reading those out loud, maybe your thesis or a presentation text, or even a transcript from Culips. And let us know how it goes. So your quick tip for today is to slow down a bit, to take your time with your speech. I promise it won't sound too weird. All right, talk to you guys soon. And don't forget to find us on culips.com and on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Bye.